Nowadays, there are many different music genres, and today we will talk about one of them. It's called drum and bass. This electronic genre originally came from Great Britain and has its roots in such kinds of music as jungle and rave. The typical drum and bass music composition has heavy bass lines and 160-180 beats per minute. The beats are usually combined and created on the computer with the help of special software. Nowadays, writing music is much easier than it used to be in the past. You don't even have to know the notes to create a masterpiece. All you need is a computer and a special software. To talk about music, we need some words. Amateur. Любитель, непрофессионал. Armed. Вооруженный. Artificially. Искусственно. Band. Группа. Compose. Сочинять. Creativity. Творческие способности. Креативность. Development. Развитие. Distortion. Искажение. Distribute. Распространять. Echo. Эхо. Electronic. Электронный. Empower. Давать возможность. Enthusiasm. Энтузиазм. Generated. Полученный в результате, сгенерированный. Heavy metal music. Музыка в стиле heavy metal. Hum. Напевать. Instrument. Инструмент. Mix. Микшировать. Сводить две композиции трека вместе. Соединять, смешивать. Musician. Музыкант. Revolution. Революция. Signal. Сигнал. Technique. Техника, способ. Technology. Технология. Triumph. Триумф. Electric. Электрический. Sound. Звук. Tune. Мотив. Song. Песня. Impression. Впечатление. Creator. Создатель.